Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how to change the wing mirror glass or the back cover to the wing mirror glass. So let's just pretend we've got a broken mirror and we need to change that out. We'll literally just get a screwdriver behind it like that and just give it a nice sharp lever off, and it should just pop off. Okay. And then you've got two heater wires, and what I normally do is just bend one back wire just so you can identify it as going onto that one. Alright, so at this point you've got a broken mirror, you can just change, and all it does is just line it up and give it a little tap or a little hard push on from the centre, and it will just pop onto this ring. Okay, now if you want to get the back cover off, that's a different kettle of fish. That is, I've seen a lot of people, they will go around this edge here, this flange, with a lever, and they will snap all the clips off around it, and they got around to just break it. So what you've got to do first is, also you can change this if you want to, the little blind spot. But to get the back cover off and to get to this blind spot mirror to remove, you need a Torx T20 screwdriver, and you remove that one, and that one first. And then you've got these tabs, these lock-in tabs. There's 4 of them. Okay, that's all 4. Now you just need to get a little screwdriver behind them, and just don't bend them too much because they'll snap. But you just got to lever them out slightly, and then with another screwdriver, let's say, push the tab. All right, so it releases those off. You've got to get all 4 released off. And then you can even at the same time get another little smaller screwdriver into the side to add a bit of leverage, and then work those to unclip that. Because if you try and lever it off, it'll just break all these tabs, and then when you go to put it back on, it won't have nothing to pull it back in, only the 3 screws. And I've seen so many people just lever around there without taking the mirror off first. They lever around there to get the back off, and they snap all these fixings as well as the 4 tabs, and then they end up having to glue or bodge it and silicone the back cover on. So yeah, the 3 Torx screws first, and then just unclip the 4 plastic tabs without breaking them, and then get a lever in there, and it'll just pop off the back cover then. And then fitting is pretty much the same. The cover pulls up level to the front bit, and then once you get your 3 screws in loosely, then the ends of the back cover, where these hinges are, they just need to push and clip in. You'll hear a little click when they go in. Then you can do up your screws properly, make sure your tabs have locked, and then you can just put your mirror back on. Okay. Oh yeah, with the blind spot mirror, when you get the cover off, you've got 4 little tabs again, like these, where you've got to lever out to get to release the pressure on the tabs, and then there's 4 again, one there, one there, one there, and one there, and they'll just unclip and come out. Okay, so bending the wire like we did before, just to identify what one went where, because it probably doesn't matter which way round, but I always like to just mark it somehow with a bit of tape, or just bend it back on itself. Make sure the little pins, the heater pins, are clean, which these are. Okay, and yeah, just connect them up again. Nice to have heated mirrors as well as electric movement. So just line it up with that centre circle with a nice sharp push in the middle. Okay, just make sure it doesn't come out. Fingers behind, yeah, won't come out. And we'll just turn the ignition on, and we'll just check, see if we've got some movement. Yeah. Okay, guys, I hope this helps you. But as I say, everything you do with the workings of it, or to get the back off, you've got to get this front mirror off first. Whether you're changing it because it's broken, or whether you just need, or if the back cover's broken, you need to get the mirror off first to get to the screws. Okay, and even that blind spot mirror, to get to the clips behind, you've got to take this mirror off, undo the 3 screws and the 4 clips, take your back off, and then you can get to these ones. Okay, guys? Obviously, if you need to change the whole mirror, then that's 1 bolt in the centre there. Okay, and then you've got to have the cover off on the inside to remove the whole mirror assembly. Okay, hope this helped, guys. See you in the next video.